All right, y'all, welcome back. It's your girl, Kiara, owner of the Kidia Party Decorating Service, where I specialize in Luxe event decorations in Atlanta, Georgia. If you watched my last video, you saw how I put together this heart-shaped arch from Amazon. I'm going to link the picture right here so you can see which arch that I got. So if you want to get the same one, watch my last video so you can know how to put it together. But now in this video, we will be decorating this heart-shaped arch, very luxe style, because that's what I do, and turn this into the perfect heart-shaped balloon arch for any Valentine party, will you be my girlfriend proposal, romantic date night, and so on for Valentine's Day, because hello, February is coming up next. It's literally next month, y'all. All right, so let's get started. So I got 2 packs of a Valentine's garland kit, but I only needed 1.5. I really just got 2 for the extra clusters. I also have my red 260s and the star of the show, my balloon pump. Before we get started, I want to come on here and show you guys my balloon measurement box. I know a lot of you guys have probably seen this from other balloon decorators, but I just want to show you why this one is my fave, because it is wooden, so it's a lot more sturdy when it comes to measuring out the balloons. It was a gift from my stepdad for Christmas, but I'm sure he probably got it on Amazon. I don't know. I will ask, and then I will link it in my description once I know. So I'm using my box to measure out 6-inch quads. And then I measured out a 10-inch to add to 3 6-inches for 1 quad. All the balloons are 6-inch quads except the red and the pink balloons have 2 that have a 10-inch added to the 6. Measuring out the clusters into 5 inches. At first, I used to tie my clusters together using 260s, but now I tie them at the neck thanks to the Cena approach. She has a subscription where she helps decorators perfect their garlands. Once my arch was put together, then I started adding my Valentine decor element balloons. And then we're about to get to the best part, the big reveal. Yes, you cannot say I didn't eat this up. It's giving very much beautiful, very much classy, very much high end, okay? And with the backdrop, 10 out of 10. Always got my party shine to give that gloss effect. And there you have it, folks, a Luxe Valentine's balloon arch by yours truly. So if you notice in the close-up when I showed you the details, I strung up some hearts at the top of the arch, and I did not record myself doing that. But if you are interested in wanting to know how I did that, please comment below and interact, and I'll be sure to respond back or do another video showing how I did that. Alright, we've made it to the end of the video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And if you are in the metro Atlanta area, Atlanta, Georgia, or surrounding areas of Georgia, please hit your girl up at www.thekediaparty.com to book the look for Valentine's Day. The time is now to do that. Get your stuff in advance. Don't be doing your sweetheart like that and wait until last minute. Make sure that you get the look in advance. Don't say I didn't tell you.